Hey guys, a quick video right here. So if you have a Silverado or GMC Sierra like this one, which is 2014 and above, or even a Ford, getting an amp rack for an installation in your truck is a great option. Either you're doing a 4-channel amp or bass amp. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So the amp rack is going to go over here on this wall right here, and like you saw, all the amps are already on it. So what that means is, whenever you are ready to sell your truck, it's very easy to take off the stuff and you can have your truck sold, or pretty much if it's a lease, you can give it back. So let me go back again and show you guys what I'm talking about. So pretty much the amp rack is going to go on this wall right here, and all the amps are already on it. So pretty much it's going to be 2 wires that you're going to cut and take it out, and you can yank the wires already. And let's go see the amp rack, how it's done. So you can see, and the other thing is, we're not mounting anything on the walls of the trucks anymore like we used to back in the day. So there's not going to be any holes or nothing like that. So this amp rack is specifically for this truck, and it's going to go on there. And you can see all the amps are already, wires are already done. So we're going to clean up right now, throw it on there, and I'll show you a final look afterwards. Thank you guys. If you guys are looking to get one of these, it's going to be linked down below, so get it there. Thank you guys.